we need to go back to look at what the essence of Ramadan is supposed to be. And it is not something which is philosophical, difficult to understand, only people of higher learning and knowledge can grasp. No. Islam is for everybody. Allah provided this way of life for everyone. So He made it very clear in the Quran, in His final revelation to humankind. He made it very clear, crystal clear, what is the soul of Ramadan? What is Ramadan all about? So we would not have any confusion in our minds regarding it. He said, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O you who believe, fasting was prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, in order that you would develop taqwa, a consciousness, a higher consciousness of Allah. Fasting was prescribed for all of the prophets of Allah and their followers. That's what Allah said here. For all those who came before you, it was also prescribed. And even till today, in the corrupt scriptures, in the hands of Christians and Jews, we do see clear statements that Jesus, Moses fasted 40 days and 40 nights, eating nothing and drinking nothing. Still remains. And in the other religions, in Hinduism, Buddhism, all the others, which are corruptions from the original message which Allah sent to those people in those places. They all have fasting prescribed. This is the goal. This is the goal. It is to raise our consciousness of Allah.